position is maintenance, so I will be doing that for this season. And currently, I'm working on this trailer, and we've got a little bit of troubleshooting to do. Plus, we're also updating our wiring and our plugs. So that is what we are doing right now. Currently just prepping everything. We're going to be doing heat shrink, soldering, and making good forms, connections, and covering it with heat shrink. And then we'll be using a amalgamated electrical tape to protect it from the weather and the elements. So it was about time to update, and that's what I'm doing today.
Great. Is this something that you would do on a typical day, or is this more of a specialty project?
Mostly what I have is not necessarily what we would call a typical day. As maintenance, you will find yourself doing from plumbing to electricity to mechanical repairs. Everything is different day to day, and about the only thing that is kind of a regularity is if you are having a project and you are essentially prepping for it, planning for it, organizing it, getting everything you need together for it, resources, and eventually culminating in the actual activity, followed by completion, and then moving on to the next project. Often when you think of the Forest Service, you think of just trails and greeting people while out in the trees, but there's a lot more to it. I'm a maintenance professional, and what I do is fix, repair, and replace a lot of different items used or they're worn or deteriorated throughout the year. We have entire shops, we have supplies, and we fix and we fabricate whatever is needed. And some often, because of deterioration, we have to replace and renew so that everything stays fresh and safe.